Hello, my esteemed subscribers, boys and girls. Welcome back to another edition of my YouTube channel. Thank you, parents that bring their children close to my channel. I'm very grateful. Thank you for subscribing, sharing, and liking my video. We are in another edition today. You know, we're supposed to go to addition and subtraction of fraction. Yes, last time we didn't go into that. We did LCM and HCF, their clarity. We still need to know long division before we can go into that topic, addition and subtraction of a fraction. That's why we are on long division today. Please listen very attentively and I'll take you through the section of long division. This long division is very good for the grade 4 to 6. Immediately you come into grade 4, you must learn long division. And this long division will carry you up to grade 6, where you are going to do a lot of sum on long division. So listen very attentively. And many students dread this long division. But when you listen, you're going to see how easy and simple long division is. Thank you very much. Okay. I say that quotient is the result we get after division. Anytime you hear quotient, you know it is the result we get after division. Okay, we're going to go into this long division. There are tricks you will see in this long division. Make sure you follow my formula to know it very well. Make sure you don't fail it, okay? So we're going to start with 3 dividing 327. Okay, 3 divide 327. 3 divide 3. I say 3 divide 3. I did not say 3 divide 327. Right away, I choose 3 because I want to take it step by step, okay? 3 divide 3 will give us 1. 3 times 1 will give us 3. Look at these two spaces. I give them 0, 0, 0. And this 2 0, I still represent it here. And I write plus. I subtract. 7 subtract 0 is 7. 2 minus 0 is 2. You see we have 27. 3 divide 27. No, you say 3 divide 2. See, it cannot. So since 3 cannot divide 2, 2 is small, you join it. So when I join it, I get 27. So 3 divide 27 will give me 9. 3 times 9 will give me 27. I subtract it, I get 0. When you get to 0, you know you have finished, you stop. So the answer to this first one is 109. If you don't do it this way, you choose to do it the other way. Watch me. 327 divided by 3, okay? 3 divide 3 will give us 1. 3 times 1, 3. You rule your line. You bring down 27 because that's what is remaining. 3 divide 27 will give you 9. 3 times 9 will give you 27. And the answer you get is 19, which is not the right answer. You follow it this way, you will not miss any digit in the answer. Okay, look at this one. 4 divide 1, no, it's more. You're going to join these two. Don't join all of them at the same time. You say 4 divide 12. Take it step by step. 4 divide 12 will give us 3. 4 times 3 will give us what? 12. Look at the space here. And this space, we represent it with 0, and we put that 0 here, plus. And we subtract. 8 subtracts 8. Then we say 4 divide 8 will give us 2. 4 times 2 will give us what? 8. When you subtract, we've ended. So look at this one. 4 divide 9. Don't say 4 divide 97. Outright. Take it one by one. 4 divide 9. How many 4 is inside 9? We have 2. So we say 2. 4 times 2 will give you 8. Look at the space here. I put it 0. And that 0, I represent it here also. Watch me. You subtract. 7 minus 0, 7. 9 minus this will give you 17. How many 4 is inside 17? When you do your continuous subtraction, you notice it is 4. So you write 4 here. 4 times 4 is what? 16. Okay? 17 minus 16 will give us 1. 4 cannot divide. Okay? And you put decimal. And you put what? And you put what? Decimal before you add 0. How many 4 is inside 10? We have 2. 4 times 2 will give us what? 8. You subtract. 10 minus 8 will give us 2. 4 cannot divide. You add 0. 4 divide 20 will give us 5. 4 times 5 will give us what? 20. Subtract, we now have 0. Look at this one again. 25 divide 2 is 2. Let's look at this one. Okay? Looking at this one, 25 divide 2 is too small. So we're going to join it with 8 to meet up. 25 divide 2 is only 125 that can see inside 28. So I say 1. 25 times 1, we have 25. Okay? And look at 2 spaces here. So I represent it here. When I subtract 7, 1, this is 3. Okay? We have 317. How many 25 can we get in these 2? We are not going to say all of them immediately. Only 1. So I write 1. 25 times 1 is 25. And there's space here. I put it 0. And I still put that 0 here. And add plus. When I subtract, borrow 1 here, put here. And I will have 6. Okay? 67. How many 25 can I get in 67? I have 2. So I write 2. 25 times 2, I have 50. When I subtract, I have 17. Look at it now. 25 can no longer divide 17. So I put plus and I add decimal. In that case, I put 0. How many 25 can I get in 170? I'll ask myself. I know that in 100, I have 4. And in 50, I have 2. So in 170, I will be having around 6. So I write 6. So 25 times 6 will give us 150. When I subtract, I have 20. It cannot go because it's smaller. So I add my 0. How many 25 can I get in 200? I know that in 100, I have 4. In another 100, I have 4. So in 200, I'll be having 8. Okay, 8. 25 times 8 will give us 200. When I subtract, I have 0. So watch my answers now. Let's start from this one. Watch my answers. 30 plus 2 will give us 32. This is the answer for this. 20 plus 4 will give me 24.25. You see the answer for this. And look at this one. 100 plus 10 will give me 110. Plus 2 will give me 112. 112. I put my decimal and I represent the 68 after decimal. Can you see the answer? Very simple. It's not stressful. This is how we come to the end of our lesson on long division. Understand it very well so that when we get into our addition and subtraction of fraction, you will be very perfect in the solving. Thank you for listening. Please, I want you to write on my comment section any problem you find as I teach or any topic you find difficult in mathematics, you don't know how to understand it. Do me a favor by dropping it on my comment section. I'll give you a line one day to teach that topic and you're going to understand it very well. I would like to know your name and the country you are calling from so that in my next lesson, I'll give you a hug. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like my video. I'm very grateful. Thank you very much. Thank you and bye.